Assalamu alaikum, class 3 English grammar book, open page number 28. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Write down class work in date, lesson 9 contractions. When we contract words, we make them smaller. जब words को contract करते हैं तो small बन जाते हैं. We can do so by removing certain letters. हम उसमें से जो है letter को remove करते हैं. जैसे an apostrophe goes in the place of the removed letters. For example, I am a good boy. I am a good boy. Study the contractions given in the table below. I'm letter A is removed. Your letter A is removed. He's letter I is removed. She's letter I is removed. Its letter I is removed. We are letter A is removed. Their letter A is removed. Let us understand. Copy these sentences in your notebook after contracting the underlined words. I am going to the zoo. I am going to the zoo. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. He is studying in class 3. He is studying in class 3. We are going to the beach. We are going to the beach. She is the naughtiest girl in the class. She's the naughtiest girl in the class. They are classmates. They are classmates. Remember, put an apostrophe in place of the removed letter. Page number 29. We write the full of the following words. Some have been done for you as an example. She'll, she will, he'll, he will, they'll, they will, we'll, we will, they have. Copy these sentences in your notebook. Write the full of the contracted words. He'll be late to school. He will be late to school. She'll be coming tomorrow. She will be coming tomorrow. We are going for a practice match this evening. We are going for a practice match this evening. They have found the missing treasure. They have found the missing treasure. Match the contraction to their expanded form in your notebook. Wouldn't, would not, couldn't, could not, hasn't, has not, haven't, have not, isn't, is not, hadn't, had not, wasn't, was not, can't, cannot, don't, do not. Complete these sentences with appropriate contractions of your own. I was not happy with what I saw. I wasn't happy with what I saw. If you are not ready to on time, you will miss the train. If you aren't ready on time, you will miss the train. We are going to the hall for dance rehearsal. We are going to the hall for dance rehearsal. Is he not coming with us? Isn't he coming with us? Open page number 30. Page number 30 is your homework. आपने बुक के ऊपर एक्सरसाइज करनी है. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.